Printy6 for Dropshipping Review, my usage experience. Links to Printy6 and related resources can be found in the description below. Printy6 is a print-on-demand platform tailored for e-commerce entrepreneurs, offering a range of customizable products and seamless integration with Shopify. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to start or scale a dropshipping business with minimal upfront costs and a focus on custom designs. One of Printy6's standout features is its diverse product catalog. The platform provides access to a wide array of items, including apparel, shoes, home decor, and accessories. Unique offerings like custom sneakers and bags make it a great option for creating a differentiated brand that stands out in a competitive market. For dropshippers, this variety enables targeting various niches and expanding product lines effortlessly. The user-friendly design interface is another highlight. Printy6 makes it simple to upload designs, customize product layouts, and preview how the final product will look. This streamlined process is perfect for entrepreneurs without prior design experience, as it allows you to bring your ideas to life quickly and professionally. Printy6 is also known for its global fulfillment network. The platform ensures production and shipping are handled efficiently, with average production times of 3 to 5 days. Shipping options include global delivery, making it possible to reach customers worldwide. While shipping times may vary depending on the region, the platform offers tracking information to keep both you and your customers informed. Integration is seamless with Shopify, automating the process from product creation to order fulfillment. Once an order is placed, Printy6 takes care of the production and delivery, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. This hands-off approach is a significant advantage for dropshippers who want to scale their businesses without being bogged down by logistics. One area where Printy6 could improve is in providing more advanced branding options, such as custom packaging. However, its competitive pricing and unique product options make it a worthwhile platform for dropshippers looking to offer something distinct. In conclusion, Printy6 is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to create a unique, custom brand with diverse product offerings and efficient automation. Its product range, ease of use, and Shopify integration make it a valuable tool for building a successful dropshipping business. Check the links in the description to explore Printy6 and see if it aligns with your goals. This review should help clarify whether Printy6 is the right platform for your business.